Welcome to the Compost channel. Today we're going to explore how to make an amazing liquid fertilizer. Your garden always needs a rich source of nutrients for plants to grow strong and produce high yields. Instead of buying expensive chemical fertilizers, you can absolutely make your own right at home. This method not only saves money, but is also incredibly friendly to the surrounding environment. The best ingredients are often hiding right in your own garden in the form of common weeds. The first step in this process is to gather wild weeds growing throughout your garden. You can easily find dandelions or clover packed with a rich supply of minerals. These plants absorb nutrients from deep in the soil and store them inside their green leaves. When you pull out weeds, don't rush to throw them away because that would be a huge waste. Gather all the weeds into a large basket to prepare for the next transformation step. Besides weeds, fallen dry leaves from big trees are also an essential ingredient. They provide the carbon needed to balance the microbial system during this liquid composting process. Most importantly, we'll also use tomato suckers that are usually trimmed off. These shoots are extremely rich in nutrients and contain many valuable natural growth hormones. Reusing tomato suckers helps create a truly powerful tonic for all garden plants. Once you've gathered all the necessary ingredients, we move on to the next stage. Use a sharp pair of scissors to chop all the weeds and dry leaves into smaller pieces. Chopping the materials helps break down plant cell structures and speeds up decomposition. The smaller the pieces, the larger the surface area in contact with water, helping nutrients dissolve faster. Take your time cutting each handful of leaves and weeds. You'll find the effort is worth it. Next, prepare a large plastic container with a well-fitting lid to hold all the materials. Place all the chopped plant matter into the container and spread it evenly across the bottom. Don't pack it too tightly, as the empty space allows water to move through the layers more easily. Now pour clean water into the container until all the plant material is fully submerged. You can use rainwater or tap water that has been left out to let the chlorine dissipate. Water acts as the perfect solvent to extract all the goodness from the green leaves. After filling it up, use a long stick to stir the mixture a few times. The next crucial step is to cover the container to keep mosquitoes and insects out. If you don't have a lid, you can use a breathable cloth and tie it securely. Using breathable fabric allows oxygen to support beneficial microbes. Now move the container to a sunny spot. Warm temperatures from sunlight help speed up fermentation and decomposition. Let the mixture sit and transform for about 2 to 4 weeks. During this time, open the container and stir it every few days. This helps add oxygen and prevents unpleasant odors. Over time, you'll notice the water turning a dark brown color. That's a sign that valuable nutrients are being released into the liquid. Billions of beneficial microorganisms are working around the clock to break down complex compounds. They transform leaves and weeds into nutrients that plant roots can easily absorb. This solution contains 3 essential macronutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It also provides amino acids and micronutrients that support plant growth. When the fermentation period is complete, you'll have a rich, dark brown liquid fertilizer. Carefully strain out the leftover plant solids to get a clean liquid. The leftover plant material still has value, so add it to your regular compost pile. The liquid fertilizer at this stage is highly concentrated and should not be used directly. Applying it without dilution can burn plant roots due to excess nutrients, so it's essential to dilute it with clean water before use. The ideal ratio is 1 part liquid fertilizer to 10 parts water. Measure 1 cup of fertilizer and mix it with 10 cups of water in a watering can. Shake or stir well to fully blend the solution. Now this nutrient-rich liquid is ready to be applied to your plants. Gently water around the base of tomatoes, peppers, or leafy greens. The liquid quickly soaks into the soil, delivering nutrients to the roots. Plant roots eagerly absorb it like a traveler finding an oasis. Natural growth hormones from tomato shoots help plants grow more vigorously. Nitrogen promotes lush green leaves, while phosphorus supports strong root development. Potassium enhances plant resistance and improves fruit quality. After just a few uses, you'll be amazed at the transformation. Plants become stronger and more resilient against harsh weather. Flowers bloom more vibrantly, and tomatoes ripen with rich, sweet flavor. This is truly a perfect natural cycle that brings incredible benefits. We've turned what seemed like waste into a powerful solution for a thriving garden. This liquid fertilizer method is not only effective, but also eco-friendly. It encourages earthworms and beneficial microbes, helping maintain healthy soil structure. Share this amazing gardening tip with your friends and family today. Caring for your plants with organic ingredients brings a deep sense of peace. Thank you for watching the Compost channel. Wishing you a lush green garden. See you next time.